In this week's episode of Water Care Wednesday, we're talking about a new product, the Spa Frog Ease. The Spa Frog Ease system replaces two products in the traditional water care setup, the mineral stick and chlorine. All right, box number one. In box number one, you get the top to the Spa Frog Ease, which is the equivalent of the mineral stick. Smart Chlor cartridge, which is the equivalent of the granules. The Jump Start packet, test strips, and the Easy Guide. In box number two, you get 3 more Smart Chlor cartridges. And so what's nice is between the 3 boxes, you get 4 cartridges, 1 mineral stick, test strips, and the Jump Start, and so you're good to go for 4 months. All right, so how this works is you go ahead and after you filled up your hot tub, you take the Jump Start packet and you pour it in. Then you can test your water and make adjustments to pH and alkalinity. And then you'll take out the cartridge and you'll pick the spa setting that works for your tub, attach it to the bottom of the Spa Frog, and then throw it in the hot tub. And what you want to do is hold it under the water and let all the air bubbles go out until it's floating nice and even. And the best part about the Ease system is when it's time to replace the chlorine, since the top part of the frog is good for 4 months, you'll open up your spa lid and this thing will be floating upside down inside your hot tub. So you'll grab it, pull it off, grab another cartridge, put it on, and you're good to go for another month. Thanks for checking out this week's episode of Water Care Wednesday. For more information, check out the link below. Be sure to subscribe for more episodes each and every Wednesday.